All right. Welcome on into the Purple Penguin Craft Room. I'm Vicky. Well, let's get started with this three-tiered box craft for today. And you can totally decorate this up for a gift, or you could definitely add it to your collection. We are just going to make it very Christmas, you guys. So we're going to add all these ribbons and 3 boxes. So let's see what we can come up with. All right, jumping right in. This is the largest of our 3-tiered boxes. This is the one from the Dollar Tree. I always collect these when I can get them at the Dollar Tree. The next size middle one I got from Hobby Lobby. It was a group of 6 or 8, I believe. It's a good size box. I believe that's a 3-inch box. This is 3 1/4 inch round. At the little mini one, honestly, I can't remember where I got it, but it's extra small. It's only a 2-inch little box, but you can find little boxes everywhere, or just do different sizes, whichever you prefer. We're going to go ahead and paint all of our boxes in a dark blue, or not a dark blue, but it's called Look at Me Blue acrylic paint. It's actually a pretty blue. I kind of like the way this blue looks, honestly. And just kind of keep this all the same. We're just going to do all in the same color. Like I said, I really kind of like this blue, actually. Okay, all of our boxes are painted now at this point. And I went ahead and I painted just the sides. I did not paint the bottoms on any of them. And the tops, I didn't paint the centers on these two because these boxes are going to be on top and I wanted a little more for the glue to attach to. This one I did paint the whole entire top because that one is going to be on the top. So there's that. Now let's decorate our boxes. All right, let's start with the bigger one. And I've got this homemade holiday ribbon, I believe from Hobby Lobby. Yes, I think it's from Hobby Lobby, but super cute little snowman. Absolutely love that. And we're just gonna go right down the middle, but at the same time I want to take into account where the lid is going to be. So we want to do the middle of where the lid, if that makes sense. So we're going to do the center here instead of all the way in the center, because the lid is going to come down on our box, and we want it to be more centered on our box, like so. So I think that just looks more eye appealing to be able to do it that way. So let's find the crease here. So there's always going to be a crease in your box. Go ahead. Actually, we'll start where there is not a snowman. Like, just cut the ribbon to where there's not a snowman. And you can use Mod Podge. You can use any kind of glue you want. I'm going to use my good old Tacky glue. Tacky glue, because I absolutely love my Tacky glue. I like this ribbon too. I typically like ribbons that have the wire in them, only because sometimes that helps out tremendously. If you want to take the wire out, it's not that hard to take the wire out of your project as well, if you wanted to do it that way. Sometimes if it doesn't want to stay down, I will put tape over it to help hold it down and for like a couple minutes, and then just take the tape off. But we'll set that one off to the side. We're just going to take our top of our box here, and actually, you know what? We're gonna glue the ribbons on first, and then we'll attach our boxes. I thought otherwise, but just kidding. We're just gonna take this one too, because we want to see where our lid's gonna be. This ribbon, I believe, is from Walmart. It's kind of fun, sparkly. I was trying to do another light ribbon. This one, I love the fact that you can see the blue through the snowflakes. All right, and we got that one on. I love how that looks. I'm not a huge fan of the sparkly, but I kind of like that. And the last one we're gonna do is the top one. This one, I think, you know, instead of doing the base of this one, I think we might actually just do the top. I think that would be cuter. Yeah, I think we're gonna do the top on this one. So we're just gonna do the lid. Okay, so that's cute little box all by itself. I really like the look of that little box. It's so cute. All right, so we're gonna let all the little boxes dry. I want the little topper. It's gonna be a little snowman. This is just one of those little wood snowmans from the Dollar Tree. They came in the little 8-pack of the little snowmans. We're gonna paint him off white. So I've got this acrylic, a light buttermilk. We're gonna paint him. He's already wood color, so this isn't really gonna do much for him. All right, and then we're gonna do his hat. This is just the pure black acrylic. Nothing special. I don't usually get anything super special for my black or white paint. All right, on our snowman, we've got his hat painted, and he is painted in off-white, even though he looks the same color as, you know, the wood color that he's supposed to be. So we're gonna go ahead, let's give him a little face. I would at least give him 2 eyes and a nose, just so you can kind of see he's a little snowman. This is just my Posca pens. I absolutely love my Posca pens. I ordered mine on Amazon, but you can now get them, I believe Michael's carries a line of them, and I think Hobby Lobby does too, but definitely check them out, or you can order them online. All right, there we go. He's got a little nose and a little mouth. Super cute. Let's start assembly now. So we'll put our little snowman off to the side. Let's bring back in our big box. I had to go ahead and put some tape down because it was not wanting to stay down. So I put some tape on it. It's fine now. We are good. Actually, I just want to make sure it stays down. We'll just go like that, just to make sure it stays down. Give it another couple minutes. Otherwise, that looks absolutely super cute. I love how the silver, I love the silver and blue. For Christmas, silver and blue is my favorite. So now we need the medium box. And this one stayed down pretty well as well. So we're just going to, again, glue this. This will make a great, great gift box. And then we'll take our little one. Again, the theme is blue and silver and snowmans. I love it. And then, you know, the lids aren't glued down, so the lids can come off, and then you can put things in all 3 containers. So cute. All right, and then we're going to put our little snowman right on top as a little topper. Just to make it extra fun and fluffy, we're going to take a little bit of fiber fill and just kind of go around our little snowman. But you can use fluff from like old stuffed animals. You can use fluff from like old pillows, you know, wherever. You don't have to buy the fiber fill if you don't want to. You can also use spackling for this. Spackling also looks like snow, or they actually have snow in a little container. I've seen Hobby Lobby has little snow. Oh, that's so cute. Really cute with the little snowman on top. I love how this looks. You can put little bows on this if you want. I'm not going to. I'm going to leave it super simple and cute like that. That's it for our project. It's so cute and simple. Keep on coming back for some more at the Purple Penguin Craft Room, and happy crafting.